viral video na concert ni Arnel Pineda on ng The Journey sa bansang Brazil, kung saan ay tila hindi nga na-reach ni Arnel Pineda ang high notes ng kanyang kinanta. At dahil dito, marami sa nasabing concert ay tila hindi nagustuhan ang performance na iyon ng Journey vocalist na si Arnel Pineda. Nag-viral sa social media ang tila hate ng mga nasabing nakapanood nito. At syempre, may mga hindi na-appreciate ang nasabing concert na iyon. Mula sa naging post ng Behind the Songs, kung saan nakalagay doon ang nasabing caption, pero ito po ay Espanyol, Spanish dahil nga Brazil. Sa comment section ay mababasa nyo ang English na komento ng isang Tony Harnell, kung saan ay didepensahan niya si Arnel Pineda. At ayon sa kanya, maraming mga singers na professional ang nagkakamali o minsan nga ay hindi nila na-reach ang high note kapag ka live katulad nito. Siyempre, hindi naman daw perpekto at hindi lang si Arnel Pineda ang nagkaganito. Sa nasabi kasing performance ay hindi lang isang beses na hindi na-reach ang high note at medyo sintonado nga itong si Arnel. May tendency talaga na mangyari ito dahil minsan hindi mo marinig ang tono o ang mga tugtog kasi nga sobrang ingay kahit na ikaw ay may earphone na nakalagay sa tenga mo para marinig mo yung sarili mo at marinig mo rin yung tugtog. Actually, minsan, hindi pa nga malinaw na kahit na nagkaroon ka ng headset. Sa dami ng mga tao doon, may tendency talaga na magkamali ng high notes itong si Arnel Pineda. Siguro sa pagod na din. Napakarami nga na tao ang nagpunta at inabangan ang The Journey. Pero, dahil nga dito, ayon kay Arnel Pineda, matapos ng kumalat ang tila mga hate comment at bashing sa kanya, inamin ng vocalist ng The Journey na dumaraan siya ngayon sa matinding depresyon. At dahil nga dito, hinimok nitong si Arnel Pineda na hinamon nga ang mga galit na galit sa kanya. Na ayon kay Arnel, kung magkakaroon siya ng boto na 1 million vote para siya ay umalis na sa Journey, ay gagawin niya. Aalis siya. Sa Facebook post ni Arnel Pineda ay ibinahagi niya ang kanyang kalungkutan dahil nga daw sa isang pagkakamali nito. Sa 10 maayos at magandang performance niya ay tila hindi na ito naalala ng marami. Sa Facebook post ni Arnel Pineda ay inihayag niya ang kanyang damdamin at ang kanyang matinding pasasalamat sa mga tao na na-appreciate siya. Narito ang naging pahayag ni Arnel. Once again, thank you so much everyone who came to a Journey official show since at February this year. I appreciate you all do catch. And not only that, every time that I am staged with a band, I feel this immense gratitude, humility, and honor. I am very aware of this. No one more than me in this world feels so devastated about this. It's really amazing how 1,000 writings you have done will be forgotten just cause of this, and all of the place it's in Rock in Rio. Mentally and emotionally, I've suffered already and still suffering, but I'll be okay. So here's the deal here now. I am offering you a chance now, especially those who's hated me and never liked me from the very beginning, to simply text go or stay right here. And if go reach 1 million, I'm stepping out for good. Are you game, folks? Let's start. God bless all of you, and thank you once again to all of the fans and friends who believe in me. Since day one. Say nga ng isang commentator na si Tony Harnell, first of all, shame on Behind the Songs for this negative post. As a professional singer for over 4 decades, I can attest that every singer that performs regularly or tours had bad nights. I don't see the point of this post other than to incite negativity toward Arnel. The guy has done a great job. I'd like to challenge anyone out there to have a perfect night every night doing Steve Perry songs. Let the guy do his things. Sa comment section naman ni Arnel ay napuno ng stay na comment. Stay million times stay, you're a monster singer and amazing person, period. Yan ang say ng isa. You're one of my favorite singers and people. Stay. Stay, Arnel. Haters are always there no matter what you do cause they are envious and jealous. But you have more people and fans that love you and want to hear and see you singing. Journey is your journey in life. What God has given you, no one could take it away from you. Just always be thankful to God. Mula naman sa isang Mark Villar Music, stay ang boto niya. I have worked with you as your recording engineer about 9 years ago. You know what's so great about you more than your talent? It's your beautiful personality, the dedication, the passion, the gratefulness, the humility. I felt so honored that I have experienced a wonderful human being literally right in front of me. This translates so much to your shows. Your heart it's felt, your hardship and mileage connects. Not everyone will see it. Haters and bashers will be there, but the people who matter will always care. And there are many of us rooting for you. Stay. At yan nga ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.